Dear friends, in this video, I am going to discuss the different parts of crab. This is called carapace, and generally it is called shell. The shell will be removed during molting. This molting is a regular phenomena. In order to grow, the animal regularly molts. This is called anterolateral teeth. This will be differ in each and every species. The last one is lateral spine. Now it is having 1 to 8 lateral anterolateral teeth, and finally the lateral spine is larger in size. This is called anterolateral teeth, and this is called cervical groove. And coming to the legs, there are 5 pairs of legs are present in crab. That is why it is called decapod. Totally 10 legs. Deca means 10. That is 5 pairs. The first one is modified as cichlid leg, and 1, 2, 3. These 3 are called brachiopods, and it is used for walking. This is generally called walking legs, and last one is called swimming leg. This what is the function of the cichlid leg is to catch the prey, as well as defense. If you disturb them, it will bite you. So defense as well as during breeding season, it catches the opposite sex. This is the 3 functions of this cichlid legs. The cichlid legs are very important as far as economics are concerned, not economics, commercial point of view, isn't it? If you are crab is, if you want to sell the crab in higher price, the consumers are looking forward this cichlid legs. Once the cichlid legs are broken, it loses its market value. So cichlid legs are very important for selling. Be careful. That is the reason why mud crabs are tied together in order to avoid the breakage of this cichlid legs. Now this leg is modified into swimming leg. By using this, it can swim. Now we will see different parts of the legs. So this is called meatus, the lower part. The upper part is carpus and propodes. The last one is dactyl. So dactyl, propodes, carpus, and meatus. This is called chelae. The upper portion is movable, whereas the lower one is fixed. You cannot move. This animal cannot move. It is fixed. Only this is fixed and this is movable, right? For easy understanding, I'll tell you. Just imagine this is a lower part of dactyl, and this is a upper part. The upper part is movable and lower part is fixed. Then this walking legs are generally technically called brachiopods. This chelate legs are chelae includes dactyl and propodes. Dactyl and propodes. Now coming to the swimming legs, different parts of the swimming leg. That is coxa. This is called coxa. First one is the base one is called coxa. Next one is base ischium, meatus, propodes, and dactyl. Here there is no chelate legs, chelate or chelae, right? Only this. The first leg is chelae, having chelae. These are all abdomen segments. In crab, you see in crab, generally, head and thorax is pieced together, whereas abdomen also reduced. Whereas in shrimps, the edible part is abdomen is very larger in size, and we can see our naked eye. It is not reduced, it is bigger in size. But in crab, that abdomen is very much reduced. Right? It is present at the base of the carapace. This is posterior region. So this is anterior and this is posterior. So the teeth which is present in anterior area is called anterolateral side. This is lateral side, anterolateral. So this is anterior side, and this part is lateral, so anterolateral teeth, and this is posterior margin, and this one is dorsal, and down is called ventral side. Abdomen is very much reduced, and it is easily visible at the ventral side, right? So this is the structure and various parts of your crab. Thank you very much.